singular they, overriding the third-person plural rule? If you are familiar with the English grammar, you would know that the third-person personal pronoun, they, always indicates a plural person and number. For example, they are strong people. They are very powerful. They work fast enough. They are the kinsman. They are firefighters. Third-person pronouns attract a plural verb and they are indicative of a plural person. However, some grammarians opine that the third-person pronoun, they, can also function as a singular person. This happens when it is used to represent persons that are not known to the speaker. For instance, don't judge that person because they look different. Don't disrespect a soldier because they sound bossy. She pushed a stranger because they smelled awful. He phoned a journalist because they asked for it. She kicked a squirrel because they were in the way. These verb forms do not change form from plural to singular in this instance. However, the third person ceases to function as an antecedent of a plural person and begins to function as a singular person, hence, singular they. This form is used in informal situations and is not suitable for formal purposes like academic writings, presentations, political issues, etc. Some grammarians still argue that having the third-person pronoun function as a singular person while taking a plural verb is out of question. It negates the rules of concord, they opine. But since this usage is informal, breaking the rules of concord is not a matter of concern. What matters is that the information gets communicated. This use of the third person, they, as singular, obtains in homes and among young people. It is related to indefinite pronouns because they also refer to antecedents that are unknown. This usage of the third-person pronoun also saves you the stress of having to repeat he or she, him or her, etc. in sentences. For example, don't judge a person because him or her looks different. Don't disrespect a soldier because he or she sounds bossy. He called a journalist because he or she asked for it. She pushed a stranger because he or she smelled awful. She kicked a squirrel because he or she, it was in the way. So the singular they, does not override the third-person plural rule, that third-person pronouns are always plural. However, it is an informal usage that obtains in homes, and among peers as opposed to usage in formal contexts like academic writing, presentations, etc. See you soon.